Oops. I'm falling. Hey y'all, it's your girl Glitz. Thanks for tuning back into my channel. If you are new, welcome. Make sure you subscribe before we even get started with the video. Today we're going to be reviewing the Banish kit. Yeah, it's just Banish kit. And the brand emailed me 2 weeks ago, and they said they love my Instagram, like my makeup and my fashion posts, and they wanted me to try out their products. So I said sure. So they emailed me with the tracking and all that good stuff, and I just got it today. So let me show y'all their Instagram. Yeah, so it's Banish acne scars, and you post, and based off their posts, it's some pretty good results. Yeah, so I tried it today, and I'll tell y'all at the end how I feel about it. But these are the results. So I've already done it, so these are the results. And if y'all want to see how I use these products, just keep on watching. Sorry, y'all, somebody texted me. Yeah, so y'all want to see how I use these products, just keep on watching. Okay, y'all, let's go ahead and get started. So I have the products right here. Five things, I guess 7, including this little whatever this is, container in this bag. So let's open this stuff up to see what we have. Okay, got everything unpackaged. So they sent me a vitamin C beauty elixir spray whenever, wherever, natural, no sulfates or parabens. First ingredient is water. I see aloe, didn't say pronounce it. Just making sure, you know, nothing too crazy is in here. But I guess I'll spray this on at the end. Next is the activated charcoal clay mask. Ooh, I love masks. How to use: add water or your favorite liquid, mix into a paste, and apply on clean skin. Let dry for 10-15 minutes and rinse off. Use one to 2 times a week. So I'm guessing it's a powder, because it said make it into a paste. So you know, when you mix powder and water, it forms a paste. So maybe that's what it is. This is the pumpkin enzyme mask. Paint thin layer, let dry, wash off. I may use this one today. This one doesn't sound as messy. And I was on their Instagram, and I think this is one of their like top sellers. So I think I want to give this a try today and try the charcoal one another day. And these are the 3 things that came in this little bag. This is the Banish oil, and from the little bag, this is it's called Banish It. It's pretty cute, whatever these little minion looking things are. Instructions: sterilize the Banisher with alcohol, roll back the Banisher 4 to 5 times, and use light pressure. Step the pen 4 to 5 times instead of rolling. Gently pat on serum after use. Replace Banisher after 3 to 4 times of use. Banish is not liable for any adverse effects. I don't know how I feel about that last part. It says Banish is not liable for any adverse effects. So if something goes wrong, you basically can't file a lawsuit on them. There's a caution. Please test on small patch of skin before application. Personal use only. Do not share with others. Skin with any injury should not use the Banisher. Do not use it if allergic to metal. Do not use cosmetic the day of use. Do this at night. My face is very dirty right now. I took a shower, but I wanted to get this product a good review, so that's why I didn't wash my face. So I've been working out today. I've been at the clinic all day, and I'm tired. So yeah, I just feel it really. It's just I'm ready to wash it. So I hope this stuff is good. I don't know how I feel about this tool, honestly. This is very prickly. So this is what it looks like. The company actually emailed me with instructions as well, so let me go to the email real quick. Hi Tracy, here's some info on how to use your Banish kit while you wait for it. Step 1, soak Banish. Okay, we already went through that part. Make sure your skin is thoroughly cleansed. I just realized this doesn't come with a cleanser. I could have washed my face while I was in the shower. Okay. Roll or stamp on areas you want to treat, avoiding active acne. Don't go over pimples, it may spread acne bacteria. So what do they exactly mean by that? So if I'm breaking out, when I want to treat that, pat on Banish oil. So I guess after you done wash your face, then you put on the oil. These directions basically only apply to the stuff that was in this bag. I've been breaking out around my chin area. It's kind of gone now, so I guess since it's kind of gone, it's not active. So I think I'm just gonna rub it a little bit right there, and that's it. And after I wash my face, I think I'm gonna use my Clarisonic to wash my face. I didn't want to use my Clarisonic because I want to stick truly to the brand. So I wash my face off camera and come back with a clean face, like they said. I have to go wash my face off camera and I'll be right back. Yeah, I am back and my skin is very fresh and clean, like I like it. So now, first I'm gonna do the little thingamabob. My skin is clear. Kinda scared. Yeah, so now I'm about to use this pumpkin enzyme mask, and it seems like it has a lot of good ingredients in it. It has pumpkin fruit, organic bilberry fruit extract, organic sugarcane extract, organic orange peel extract, etc., etc. So all it says is paint thin layer, let dry, wash off. Smells like baby food, honestly. Look at it, it even looks like baby food. So ooh, y'all, it's tingling. Let's see for 10 minutes or until the tingling stops. Then I'll come right back and wipe it off. So yeah, it is now 10:38. I'll be back at like 10:50. Okay, y'all, I am back and it is now 10:51. First impressions, my skin feels really plump. Like at first I was really like tired, so my skin felt like heavy and saggy, but it feels really like refreshed and like plumped up. I wonder what does pumpkin do for your skin. But I'm a very dry person and it feels pretty moisturized, I would say. And while the mask was on my face, it was like tingling throughout the whole 10 minutes. And typically when I have a mask, it'll say like, oh, have it on for 5 to 10 minutes or 10 to 20 minutes, and it usually kind of dies out around 5 minutes and I just forget it's on my face and I'll take it off like 30 minutes later. But once the 10-minute mark hit, I had to hurry up and take this stuff off because it was tingling. So I like tingling. This is how I know it's working. I guess since for the Banish kit, this little thing, since you can't put on makeup 8 hours, like anytime after you put this on, like you gotta wait 8 hours to put makeup on, I would suggest doing the mask without this if you want to put on makeup, because I feel like my makeup would go on really smooth since my skin feels really hydrated right now, plump. So if you want to put on makeup afterwards, I just wouldn't use the little tool that came with the Banish kit, just the mask by itself. So now there's nothing on my skin. It still looks pretty like a natural glow, and I'm very dry. So next elixir, and then I'm gonna use the oil. When I worked at Dillard's, one of my coworkers, Jen, hey girl, if you're watching, she told me always do thinnest to thickest when it comes to skincare products. So basically that's the viscosity of the product. So since this is basically like water, this elixir stuff, I will put this before the oil because it's thicker. Because, well, the oil is thicker than the water. So as far as moisturizers go, if you have like a thick moisturizer, you want to put that on after your serum. Thinnest to thickest rule is based on the products penetrating it. So you can't put on like a moisturizer then put a serum on top of it, because the serum is not going to penetrate through the moisturizer because the moisturizer is thicker. Oils for me are always last. So if this came with a moisturizer, I would do this first, the elixir, then I would do the moisturizer, then I would do the oil last. Now I'm going to spray this on, the elixir. It doesn't smell like bad. It kind of smells like minty kind of. Even though there's vitamin C in it. I'll spray a little more. I'm gonna let that soak in for 30 seconds. And fanning it helps it not drip. Next, I'm going to use the Banish oil. Should I do a little Instagram trick? You know, girls be like. I'm gonna let this settle in just a little bit longer. Okay, y'all, so this is the finished, I won't say look, but the results of the skincare products. Overall, I would recommend the elixir. I never had a spray elixir, so it's pretty handy. You have to use your fingers. The oil, it feels kind of heavy. I mean, it's the oil, so I don't really have too many oils. I have one from Kiehl's, and that joint is so strong. But this is like a milder oil. The mask, I mean, it made my skin hydrated and plump and all that good stuff. So I don't see any like type of allergic reactions or anything going on in my face. If I remember, I'll come back tomorrow and show y'all how it went overnight. Okay, y'all, so it's the next day, next morning. This is how my skin is looking. I'd say the products did really well. My skin does still feel really soft, and when I woke up, it was still hydrated. Like it had a nice sheen. Right now, I have on baby oil, so that's why I look red and shiny. But when I woke up, it still had like a nice sheen to it. I'm not sure if y'all can hear me, but it's raining. It's raining right now. But yeah, so I give all products a good thumbs up. And make sure you subscribe to my channel and stay tuned for my next video. See y'all later.